This is a child abduction emergency. Amber Alert, Carteret County. Moorhead Police Department is searching for Olivia Kimbrough. Olivia Kimbrough is a 13-year-old white female, approximately 5 feet tall and 125 pounds. She has green eyes and long blonde hair. She was last seen wearing a black zip-up hoodie and brown pants. The abductor is an unknown black male, approximately 5 feet 6 inches, weighing 200 pounds. He was last seen wearing a black tank top and black shorts. They were last seen traveling in a white SUV. The make/model is unknown. The license plate is unknown. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Moorhead Police Department at 252-726-1911 or call 911. Amber Alert. Location. Info. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. This alert applies to State of North Carolina.
Football. Your clients will be nice. No one will stand over you.
All right, so that's an Amber Alert sent on get back to time 10:37 p.m. For somebody out in eastern North Carolina. The last we heard at the end, they got a tone for the entire state. Caught on WKBC 97.3. And I hope that the one involved in the Amber Alert gets found sooner than later, for the fact that they're missing.